a 71 Hemi Cuda.
Well, I got to tell you, this is the creme de la creme of muscle cars. It's a 71 Hemi Cuda. I've told a lot of times to people, if you're a Ford collector, Chevy collector, classic car collector, any kind of collector, and there's one Mopar on your site, it is the 1971 Cuda. It has everything going for it. The billboard, cheese eater grill, the gills on the side, louvers. It's just, and look at this one with that interior.
It's unbelievable.
Yep, this is like one of one right here, I can tell you.
$300,000, 3 1/4 now.
Only 108 Hemi Cudas built with the hardtop versions, built in 1971, the final year of that platform. Let's break down the hardware just a little bit, and I kind of want to get a little bit more of your insight, Tim. Automatic, 426 Hemi with the 2 4-barrel carbs, 425 horsepower.
Yep.
That ran the same basic specs right from 1966 right through 1971, although the engines went through some evolution. Hydraulic cam began in 1970, a couple of other tweaks. But there's something, and you mentioned a bit, there's something about the Cuda platform, that E-body platform, that it's got everything going for it. Looks, the reputation in trike racing.
It has it all.
The street cred.
Nothing gets prettier. The louvers, the spoil, everything about the 71 car is just killer. And I'm lucky enough to own one. My brother owns one, so we got a couple of 71 Hemi Cudas, and we probably will own them a long time.
Tell you what, reserve is off at $360, and I'll just throw this out there. Seattle 2014, JK, we had a 71 Hemi Cuda convertible 4-speed blue that sold for, I think, $3.5 million. That is the top crust right there.
Yeah, the only thing better is put the convertible on that 71 Cuda for the top dollar ever in a Mopar. That's it right there.
Well, there we go. Now we know.
Got a new home.
Bingo.
There's the sellers right there. Very emotional for the family, but $360,000.
Wow.
Does that price surprise you?
Oh, yeah.
High, low?
I think it's in the money range.
Okay.
It was a good sale and a good buy for everybody.
Right. Excellent.
Good, solid car right there for the money.
$360,000. That is your final hammer price.